In front of me is OPPO Reno11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by launching Play Store and getting free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, launch it and select OK in a welcome pop-up. So open and OK. Now you can tap on Timeout to make sure that Infinite is on and go into Tab menu. Finally, click on those three dots at the top right corner, select Edit Tiles, look for Caffeine one in More Tiles section, add it to your current ones and go back. Lastly, just tap on your new shortcut. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!